From the creators who have introduced us to the elegant Queen 500 comes another design, this time leaning towards the raw side. All About Automobiles in association with Neve Motorcycles presents the Yoda. Yoda means warrior, and we feel this is an apt name that suits this aggressive machine. Now before we go ahead with Yoda, let's take a brief look at the design and development process. Every single altered part accessory is designed and manufactured internally. Apart from the 500cc engine, the entire bike is rebuilt and re-engineered. Interestingly, the creator Navneet Suri mentioned that he intended to create a cafe racer. Many hours on the drawing board later, what he got was a street fighter, something that reminds us of the Ducati Diavel. Now coming to the finished product, the first thing you will notice is the inverted suspension, alloy wheels and flat handlebar. Well, that's from the cafe racer inspiration, which results in an overall improved handling from the stock bike. You get a wide 190 by 17 inch tire in the rear, while the front gets a 110 by 17, which ensures optimum grip in the corners. Neve Motorcycles have also ensured that the bike stops on time. The front brakes get an upgraded 4-piston caliber unit. Yoda gets a digital instrument panel that helps the rider with all the basic information, including a tachometer. This instrument panel fits in seamlessly with the overall design. Yoda's design is a mixture of aggressive lines with a few curves. She needs to stand out in the crowd but also simultaneously be comfortable. Hence the riding position and the comfort of the rider was looked into. Small details like the exposed rear suspension, free flow air intake, rear LED lights incorporated below the seats have also been looked into. The all metal fuel tank can hold approximately 12 liters of fuel. Yoda intentionally gets a conventional halogen light as it adds to the raw appeal. Now comes the color. She gets a matte black paint finish with silver flames. The armor aspect representing a warrior, mainly the shield, the swords, the headgear, is also incorporated in the overall design. The stainless steel exhaust is a design in itself and comes complemented with a M4 muffler. Now for those of you all who are wondering how much would this design cost you? Well, apart from the donor bike, this design will set you back approximately 3,50,000 to 3,70,000 rupees. Enough of me talking here, let the design do the talking for itself. itself. We hope you have enjoyed this video, and if you like our content, please do subscribe. We look forward for meeting you in our next video.